Scat.
What?
No, that might be a RT. Yeah, those are RTs. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, guys, we got to talk about a couple of things. Before we get started, excuse the way I talk, man. I got to start wearing my retainer again. If I start talking crazy, if I sound funny, it's because I got my retainer in. But anyway, so we all know about how everybody wants to steal SCATPACKS and HELLCATS, anything with a V8 in it from Dodge. The reason why I decided to make this video, guys, is because I get hit up by a lot of younger cats that's, you know, been dreaming of buying a HELLCAT, that want a HELLCAT. They always asking me questions about should they buy one? Is it safe to buy one? Is it still worth it to buy one? A lot of you guys are just like how I was, man. When I first found out about Chargers and, you know, V8s and stuff like that, man, I was so excited. That's all I would talk about. That's all I wanted to see. Always was at the dealerships, walking around looking at them. And the first time I saw a Charger, I was on my way to North Carolina, and I saw somebody in a Charger, and it had to be probably like around a 2007 Charger. And I fell in love with them cars, man. And I've been a fan. I've been an enthusiast ever since. So my answer to should you get one is probably going to always be yes, because I would hate to be the one to discourage somebody from getting a car that they always wanted. They got the police over here now, so you can't even go over there anymore. See that, guys? And they don't even have the V8s out there. They may have the RTs out there, but can't even go on the lots no more. And that's kind of why I'm making this video, guys. Don't let this stuff discourage you if you want one of these cars, because I know everybody's used to seeing this.
Stellantis Dodge Chargers and Challengers are hot targets for thieves.
The cars can outrun police and are worth big money on the black market. New report looking at responsibility and accountability.
Stellantis Dodge hasn't notified owners and dealers about this theft problem. He learned the hard way after his was stolen. This was 4:30 in the morning last Thursday on Detroit's east side. A stolen Dodge Charger leading police on yet another hot pursuit. The chase quickly moves to the freeway and goes several miles downriver to Southgate. The only thing that ends this pursuit, the car runs out of gas. 12 hours later, Michigan State Police trying to stop another stolen Dodge Charger in Inkster. It runs a red light. They attempt to stop it with a pit maneuver. It's only a brief delay. The car speeds off. This one would end in a dead-end street. These muscle cars are stolen within seconds by thieves who know how to duplicate the key fobs with a computerized device we will not discuss in this report.
One is the original key and one is the copy key.
This owner had a Charger stolen, got paid by insurance, then took extra measures to keep his second Charger safe.
So all you have to do is unlock it and then put it right on the rim.
This was our story in March with Detroit Police Chief James Craig getting involved.
Your story prompted my having a conversation with Tim Kaniskis, high-ranking member of Dodge.
Dodge announcing a fix that would be sent out to dealers to do for customers. Police have documented this problem going back to 2018.
At this point, the bottom line is that the customers are at the mercy of the corporation.
And when you see that stuff so many times, it make you nervous. It make you second guess yourself about buying one. And you just have to look at your situation. You look at your financial situation, you have to look at your living situation, and you have to look at what's really important. Do you have your priorities in line? because yes, it's going to take a lot to own one of those cars. You got to get your security system, and the one I recommend is this one.
So on your factory key now does everything that does.
Okay.
So right now it's locked.
Right.
But if, let's say, you decide you don't want to leave, you can just go hit the lock button, go 1, 2, 3.
Shut off. Okay, awesome. All right.
Same thing on here too. Is that if you don't want to start it from your phone, if you just go 1, 2, 3, and then it confirms, and it'll go through and it starts up.
Sweet. Okay. All right.
When your alarm goes off, the alarm will notify your phone.
Okay.
The app does not have to be open.
Okay.
So it could be sitting on your coffee table or whatever, and your alarm goes off, and that gets triggered.
Okay. Okay.
And then that way you've got your phone, you've got your key, you don't need to carry anything else.
Okay. Okay. What about like the sensor, the tilt sensor?
So because you had some issues with the tilt sensor with the wheels last time, we turned the sensitivity way up.
Okay.
So on the actual tilt sensor itself, so it's on the highest thing.
Okay.
So if somebody tries to put a jack under your car and lift your vehicle, it'll trigger the alarm system before the wheel leaves the ground.
Oh, okay. So this is pretty much the app right here. So you see, I can start the vehicle, unlock it, or lock it. I also have the ability to track or locate my vehicle. As you can see right there, it shows exactly where I am. It also shows me that my doors are locked, my trunk's closed, my hood is closed, give you your battery voltage. Also it tells me my mileage and mileage until I gotta get another oil change. So it's pretty cool. I'm not gonna show everything, but it definitely shows you pretty much everything that's going on with your car. Like, see right here, I can track where I am at the moment, and it gives you all the activities, the car's on, off. I mean, this thing tells you pretty much everything. So I feel like it's the best thing to do if, you know what I'm saying, especially if you daily drive your vehicle. So again, don't let the negativity completely discourage you from getting the car you want. It's even got to the point now where all the dealerships that have V8 cars have the police. Because look, I'm at a Chevy dealer now, and as you can see, there's a cop sitting right there. Now, normally, you don't even have that at a Chevy dealership. But of course, they got V8 cars. And not only that, you got these fools out here that's stealing Kias, and that's a Kia dealership right there. Because at the end of the day, it's just life, man. It is what it is. There's always going to be negativity. There's always going to be crime. So all you can do is be aware, be smart, try not to put yourself in situations that would make it easy for the bad guys to get you. You know what I'm saying? Watch the areas you're going in, especially when you're driving these cars, because trust and believe, there's always somebody watching. You know, there's always somebody watching you, whether good or bad. You may think, oh, I just got an RT, ain't nobody paying me no attention. It's not true, because like I said, some people don't even know the difference between a RT and a Hellcat. You know, they just don't. All they hear is that exhaust. Dumb folks don't know the difference. You can't just cancel your dreams, man, worrying about stuff that's out of your control. You just got to be prepared. And y'all know what I mean by be prepared. Understand what it means to protect yourself and protect your property. Don't just do nothing crazy and get yourself in deeper trouble just because you're upset and emotional about a car. That's another thing you got to be careful of. Because, you know, a lot of people say, oh, man, I'm just going to do this and do that. Yeah, you can just do this and do that. But there's consequences to that as well. Like I say, a lot of times, you know, it's crazy how these laws work as far as defending yourself. So you just got to make yourself aware of that if you decide to go that route. I'm very excited about my 300 coming. I understand that it's 2000 made, and that car's probably going to be on the hit list. So I just got to be prepared, be aware, and take all the precautions I can to protect it. And for the most part, that means just have my insurance paid and don't keep anything personal in my car. And that's what I tell you guys, is make sure your insurance is paid up. Don't keep anything personal in your car. So if they do take it, call insurance. It is what it is. So hit the like button, guys. Leave your comments. I hope this helped you guys, man. You know, keep working towards getting that SCAT or that Hellcat. Some of us older cats who want red eyes and all that. man, just keep working, grinding. Hopefully one day something happens. You just never know. And those of us that play the lottery here and there, you don't know, you might catch a number. You go buy you 2, 3 Hellcats, track homes, or whatever you want. So hit the like button, guys, subscribe. Definitely leave your comments and hit the like button for me, guys. If y'all watching the videos, please hit that like button, because if you don't hit the like button, YouTube act funny, man. And they think y'all don't like the video. So please hit that like button. As soon as you come in, just hit the like button. Appreciate y'all watching. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.